There it is again, the sinking feeling in your stomach as you walk into the conference room and have to tell your entire team that your design isn't ready for review. We've been there. Or what about that crushing feeling when your last design iteration failed its test? We've been there too. Or that frustration when your email inbox lights up with another design requirement from your customer. Yep, you've guessed it, we've been there. And that's why we're here. Quotes in hours, delivery in days is not just a tagline. It's our promise to you, today, tomorrow, and for years to come. Here at Evology Manufacturing, we make the impossible possible. We understand the need for results. That's why our clients are at the center of everything we do. From real humans answering the phone when you call, to an engineered review quote process that gets you real information in hours, not days or weeks. All of this adds up to more time at T-ball games, more time at family dinners with your loved ones, more time for family movie nights, and more time spent doing what you do best. Living life outside the hustle and bustle of work. Quotes in hours, delivery in days. On time, within budget, every time. That's the Evology promise.